Hello everybody, welcome back to another KB Outdoors video.
Finally.
It's been a minute.
It's been a long minute.
We had a video prepped for the summer that I never got a chance to edit just because life got crazy. We're in 21 feet here,
Nice.
But we're ice fishing. It's early-ish. It's early enough. It's not like first ice where there's only 4 inches, but it's pretty early. Hopefully we catch some wallies.
Odds are not likely.
Well, we've seen lots coming out of the river so far, so hopefully we're lucky too. I've got my EpiPen just in case I decide to lick a fish, but I shouldn't be doing that. I'm already marking.
Yeah, I'd rather not have to rush you to the fucking hospital.
Well, they told me if I use it I don't have to, but I should, you know. Yeah, so hopefully we catch some fishies.
Was not well prepped for today. Got nothing ready in advance.
Absolutely brutal. Just total poor. Totally poor.
Planning.
Yeah, performance on your end.
Yeah, my end, yeah.
But it's okay.
We're out here.
We're out. We're about.
On a boot.
Everything's frozen, including us. And the camera. The camera is frozen.
You know what I want? Catfish.
Yeah.
Catfish through the ice. Not on that rod, though.
Is that the ultralight?
That's the ultralight. I don't want to catfish on the ultralight. That might be a cut the line.
Yeah. You could do it.
I could do it. It's just have the drag.
It would be an hour.
Drag set perfect. It might even be a hand reel. Like put the
Honestly.
gloves on and just slowly pull. And if I lose the hook, I lose the hook. $5 hook's cheaper than a
$250 rod.
Yeah.
Plus the however much that free fall is.
This is like another $250. It's like a $500 setup.
Jesus Christ, man.
I got it on. It was terrible. It was Black Friday, I think, and it was payday on the same day.
That's not good.
No.
That there is a.
Apparently, every single one of the barrel houses though has like $10 million of tax a year, and they have 94 storage houses. It's like every year, like it's like $100 million of tax of whiskey they pay for just making the booze.
That's actually insane.
Oh. Come on. He swam right after. Come on. Are you following me up?
A little bit. Not that close though.
Nope, you just nippled it.
Come on, miss. Don't go up so high. There you go. First fish.
Get the camera. Oh, it is going.
It's going.
Woo!
Here, show him off.
I will. 1 second. Get my hook out.
Here. You
I
got it?
got it. Okay. There we go.
First fish of the season.
First fish of the season. First fish in months. He swam all the way up to like 2 feet from the ice.
That's crazy. What a psycho.
Alright, off you go, little buddy. Oh, that feels good.
Nicely done.
Thank you.
Got one on there?
I might.
Nice. You need help or? Oh, just another sauger.
Number 2.
Nicely done.
I could barely feel him. I'm like, I thought something was off with that rod because I also didn't see my line. I think he swam way up.
Weird.
There's a fish there. Or is that? Oh, that's my line. That's number 2. He's got none.
There.
It's just a little weeder water.
Nicely done.
Both on gold. Maybe put. It's funny when someone leaves a voicemail and they swear in it, because when you get the text version, they do the little symbol instead of spelling out the word.
That's fine. Did you hear my voicemail from this morning?
Yeah, I was listening to it while we were in here.
That's funny. Did it do the transcript for it or no?
Yeah.
I don't even remember what it
Wake
said.
up, fuck, time to go. I am a bit late, but it's time to go. Be there shortly. Let me. And then it carries on.
Interesting. Okay, fish.
There you go.
Is it even on?
Oh, bring up slow, bring up slow.
Oh, he's in the transducer.
There you go.
I could even feel you.
I know, some of them are small. But there you go, you're on the board.
First fish.
He got the fish.
Ah, come here. Stop spinning. He's spinning like a ballerina.
Pussy.
No, I wanted to use these. I want to use them.
Take your fish.
Okay.
You want to hold your fish?
Yeah.
Hold your fish. Now he's gonna die.
Woo! First one. There you go. Back you go. Now I gotta wash my hands.
Just look at.
No. God. You want me to die?
No.
Man. What is up with the little sugar?
I know, it's all little cigars. We need Grandmama to roll in.
Great grandma even. Those are like literally spawned this fucking
Weird.
morning. Not that small, but. Yay! Oh, why am I so white? There we go. Good job. Jesus.
It's a wee bit windy.
Put more pegs in? I think we might have to put more pegs in. Good thing we caught that on video.
Yeah. Grab it.
Scared the shit out of me. Fuck. Again, man. That's not good.
Close the door!
Should be better.
How's the weather?
I don't want.
Is the weather nice out there?
That's a word for it.
It's a nice brisk winter day.
Yeah.
You get some fresh air.
Something like that. Oh, good heaven. What are you playing with?
Play with the ice. Making it all nice and smooth.
Yeah, boss, just making it shiny. Just making it shiny, boss. Got the condenser coil making it shiny. Are we getting carbon monoxide poisoning?
No.
Maybe. I can't tell if it's seeing both of us.
Well, then you just look afterwards.
Oh yeah, anyways. We tried. We caught a few fish.
It was windy.
Way windy. I overshot our exit.
Yeah, I wish I filmed you walking way too
I
far.
walked like an extra fucking 2 kilometers farther than I had to. Yeah, it was a bit of a fail. We're very cold. We're gonna go get some food. Hopefully, the rest of the winter is more successful than today.
Yeah, but thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe, and if you want to, don't forget to check out the merch.
Yeah.
And we'll catch you in the next one.
See you later.
Adios.